Welcome. Today we're going to look at updating the firmware on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating system versions. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Updating the firmware will cause some of the data in your Brother machine to be deleted. Reset items include secured print data, caller ID log, journal report, outgoing message, or possibly more, depending on your model's features. We strongly recommend that you read the installation notes on the download page before running the firmware update tool. Please note, your firmware cannot be updated if you're using printer sharing and the Brother machine is connected to a different computer or set to a WSD port. Also, your firmware must be updated using a Brother driver. Generic drivers will cause an error. First, print a test page to ensure proper operation of your printer. A printing problem will prevent the firmware from being updated, so troubleshoot any print issues first. Go to www.brother-usa.com/support and download the firmware update tool. If a file download security window appears, click Run. Otherwise, browse to your download location and double-click on the file. Other security windows may appear. Click Run or Continue to proceed. Choose your machine from the list and click Next or Continue. The update process will require some data about your machine to be collected. If you agree to share this data, click I accept. The process will also cause some data to be deleted from your Brother machine. Click Next to acknowledge this. If you receive a connection failure error, ensure that your Brother machine is powered on and connected. If your machine is directly connected to a computer through a USB cable, make sure the cable is plugged in. If you are using a wired network, ensure the network cable is connected to both your machine and the access point. If you're using a wireless network, make sure your machine is connected to that network. Verify that your computer and your Brother machine are on the same network and that your antivirus software and firewall are temporarily disabled. If your Brother machine is password protected, you will need to enter the password and click OK to continue. Once the update process starts, it may take up to 15 minutes to complete. Do not turn off the machine or restart your computer until the process is complete. If your firmware is the latest version, you'll receive the No Update is Needed message. Click on Done to exit. Once the update is completed, you'll receive the Successfully Completed message. Click on Continue to update another machine, or Done to exit. If the update process fails due to loss of power or network connection, try the process again. If the process fails for unknown reasons, verify that you are not using a generic print driver or WSD port. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. Thank you for choosing Brother.